Here's now AI Chatbot iOS app, and yeah, you can see it just uses the ChatGPT API. I think it's using ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo model. And then you can just write here, and it's same as ChatGPT, just a native app. In case you don't like to use ChatGPT in the browser, and you just want to have like an app experience, yeah, it's just better to use. Yeah, like that, and then you can just chat with it, and it's pretty powerful. And then you can just ask all of the prompts you're using with ChatGPT, uh, for example, and then it just starts generating. Then you can just copy replies. You can enable sound in the top right. You can share a response. Uh, so it's pretty cool. You can just tap stop generating, and I'm using the free version, so I didn't need to upgrade here. So, and I can chat, I can ask follow-up questions in the chat and all of that. So this kind of works. But of course there is a paid version, which is like I think the same as ChatGPT Pro. So it's around $20 per month. Or you can also upgrade for yearly plan, which is around like 59 or something. So yeah, then you can just copy, and then yeah, you can see your history. You can see categories. You can go more, and then you can also invite friends and earn some free subscription, but the button is not working for some reason. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Try it out.